Jai Hind student, I am Shashi Kumar Seth. Today I am going to start lines and angles of class 7 part 1. Look at here students. Firstly, what is a supplementary angles? Two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of their measure is 180 degree. Clear student? Mean that पूरक कोण क्या होते हैं? संपूरक कोण जब किसी भी दो कोण को हम लोग एंगल को प्लस करते हैं, जैसे लाइक टू एंगल्स ए प्लस बी इक्वल टू देयर सम इज 180 डिग्री. सिमिलरली व्हाट इज द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स? टू एंगल आर सेड टू बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल इफ द सम ऑफ देयर मेजर इज 90 डिग्री. पूरक कोण जब किसी दो एंगल को दैट मीन्स एक्स वाई ए प्लस बी P प्लस Q को हम लोग जोड़ते हैं तो सम कितना होता है? 90 डिग्री. एंड वन थिंग इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट दैट इफ अ रे स्टैंड्स ऑन ए लाइन देन द सम ऑफ टू एडजेस एंगल सो फॉर्म इज 180 डिग्री. मीन जब किसी भी लाइन एक स्टैंड कोई रे है और इस पर कोई भी लाइन क्या है? स्टैंड है, तो इन दोनों के बीच का सम कितना होता है? 180 डिग्री होता है. क्लियर है स्टूडेंट? लुक एट फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल ऑफ 35 डिग्री. फर्स्टली यू विल राइट लेट द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल बी x. देन सपोज दिस इज x a and this is a 35, that means b is equal to, this is a complementary, that's why you will write 90 degree. Clear? And x is equal to 90 minus 35 degree. Clear students? And write 90 minus 35, we get 55. Clear students? So this is our answer. Clear? And second question, find the supplementary angle of 80 degree. Similarly you can do this process. Let the supplementary angle be x. Clear? And x plus 80 is equal to 180 degree. Mean x is equal to 180 minus 80, mean x is equal to 100 degree. Clear students? This is the complementary angle and this is the supplementary. Clear? Now I am going to start question number 3. Student, see question number 3. Find the angle which is equal to its supplementary. Equal to its. It's very simple question. And firstly let the two angles be x and x. Clear student? And x plus x is equal to 180 degree because it is a supplementary. Then x 2x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 by 2, that means 90. Mean x is equal to 90 degree. Clear student? And question number 4. In the given figure, AOB is a straight line and the ray OC stand on it. Clear? If AOC is equal to 64 degree and BOC is equal to x degree, then find the value of the x. This is the figure. Clear? How can you solve this question? Student, you can see here AOB. Here AOB is straight line. Straight line. That's why x plus 64 is equal to 180 degree. Just like a property third, you will write here AOC, angle AOC plus angle BOC. BOC is equal to 180 degree, and here angle AOC is equal to 64 degree plus BOC is equal to X is equal to 180 degree, and X is equal to 180 degree minus 64. X is equal to, give one carry, 10 subtracted from 4 we get 6, clear, and here 7 subtracted from 6 we get 1, and here 1. That means X is equal to the value of the X, the value of X is 160 degree. Clear students? This is our answer. Clear? Now I am going to start question number 5th. Students, see question number 5. Two lines AB and CD intersect at a point O. If AOC is equal to 40 degree, find the measure of each of the angles AOD, BOD and BOC. Look at here, how can you find these all angles? Firstly, see this figure. Close this figure and you can see this is a straight line and this is a ray. So related to the property number 3rd. Clear student? And you can write AOC. Angle AOC plus AOD. AOD is equal to 180 degree. Clear? Now AOC is equal to 40 degree. That's why you will put here 40 degree plus AOD is equal to 180 degree, and AOD is equal to 180 minus 40. That means AOD is equal to 140 degree. Clear? Then mean that this is a 140 degree. Clear student? This is a 140 degree. Now AOC and BOD vertical opposite side. That means both are equal angle, and you can write here angle AOC is equal to angle BOD. This is a 40 degree and this is also 40 degree, and you can write here vertically opposite side. Clear? And this also equal. You can again write AOD is equal to BOC, angle BOC 140 degree is equal to 140 vertically opposite side. Clear student? So this is our answer. So AOD is equal to 140 degree. Clear? And BOD is equal to 40 degree. BOC is equal to, look at here, 140 degree. Clear students? Thank you students.